Coffee has had an impact on people's lives since the 13th century.
Pour a cup of this good-smelling climb. Maxwell House.
It is a cultural experience. It brings people together. And it makes economies thrive. Every culture has its own way of making it, as there are dozens of ways to do so.
Harvey, want anything special for your birthday?
Just a decent cup of coffee.
You're kidding.
I'm serious. Honey, your coffee's undrinkable.
Don't worry, Susan. We're gonna teach you how to make the perfect cup of coffee. Spreading from Italy, the Maca Pot is very easy to use. First, add water to the boiler until it reaches the knob. Then, insert the funnel and add coffee. After, make sure the gasket and the filter plate are in place within the coffee collector. Screw it into the boiler, set it on the stove, and there you go. You just have to wait until the coffee rises and you will have the perfect espresso. Another way may be using the French press. Now remember to grab your favorite cup to improve your experience. Add as much hot water as you can to the glass, but avoid overflowing it. Next, add as much ground coffee as you'd like, but be careful with the caffeine high. Cover the glass and wait 4 minutes. Press little by little, and voila, enjoy your French press coffee.
Yummy.
Finally, the coffee drip. First of all, take the lid off the filter. Then, add ground coffee to the filter and pop the lid back on. Add water depending on the amount of coffee you want. Wait till the coffee is done. And there you go. Enjoy your filtered coffee. These are just a few ways to make a coffee. There are many more. Enjoy your coffee how you want it. Whether it's a cappuccino, a mochaccino, a latte, or an espresso, there are hundreds of other ways to make one. So there you go, Susan. Make your coffee however you'd like and enjoy it. Oh, and before we forget, John, maybe you should watch this video rather than expecting Susan to make your coffee.